Ever felt stuck, staring at your bank account, dreaming of making money online, but having no idea where to start? What if I told you that you could go from zero to your first $500 in just 7 days? It sounds crazy, I know, but it's not only possible, it's a repeatable plan that I'm going to walk you through, step by step. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes or empty promises. This is a 7-day action plan for real results. So, grab a notebook, get ready to take some serious action, because your journey to $500 starts right now. Welcome to day 1. This is the foundation of everything. Before you can make a single dollar, you need to know what you're selling. The key is to identify a high-value skill you already have. Don't overthink this. Are you great at designing presentations? Can you write compelling emails? Maybe you're a wizard with spreadsheets, or you know how to edit short videos for social media. These are all high-value skills people and businesses will pay for. Spend today brainstorming. Write down everything you're good at. Next, hop online. Look at platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn. What services are in demand? Where does your skill overlap with what people are actively searching for? Your goal for today is to come up with one specific offer, not 10, just one. For example, instead of "I'm a writer," your offer is "I will write 3 high-engagement social media posts for your small business for $75. See how specific that is. Define your skill, research the demand, and create a crystal clear offer. This is your cornerstone. Alright, day 2 is all about building your digital storefront. You don't need a fancy, expensive website that takes weeks to build. We are moving fast. Your goal is to create an essential, professional online presence in just 1 day. This could be a simple one-page landing page using a tool like Card or Linktree. All it needs is a professional photo of you, a clear headline that states your offer, a few bullet points explaining the benefits for the client, and a very obvious "Contact me" or "Buy now" button. Alternatively, you can optimize a single social media profile. If you're targeting businesses, revamp your LinkedIn profile. Make your headline your specific offer. Fill out your About section like a sales page, speaking directly to your ideal client's problems and how you solve them. If you're a visual artist or designer, an Instagram business profile could be your storefront. The key here is focus and clarity. A potential client should land on your page, know exactly who you are, what you do, and how to hire you within seconds. Keep it clean, professional, and straight to the point. Your online presence is your 24/7 salesperson. Make sure it's dressed for success. Welcome to day 3. This is where the action really heats up. It's time for proactive outreach and connection. Waiting for clients to find you is a slow game. We only have 7 days. Today, you're going to be the hunter, but we're not talking about spam and cold messages. We're talking about genuine connection. Think about where your ideal clients hang out online. Are they in specific Facebook groups? Do they follow certain hashtags on Instagram or LinkedIn? Your mission today is to go to those places and add value. Answer questions. Offer helpful advice. Comment thoughtfully on other people's posts. Don't pitch your services in the comments. Just be a helpful, knowledgeable human. Then, identify a handful of people or businesses that seem like a perfect fit for your offer. Send them a personalized message. Start by complimenting their work or mentioning something you have in common. Then briefly and clearly state how you can help them. For example, "Hi Jane, I loved your recent post about launching your new podcast. I specialize in creating eye-catching cover art for new shows, and I'd love to help you make a great first impression. It's direct, personal, and valuable." Aim to make 10 to 20 of these genuine connections today. Day 4 is the moment of truth. You've landed your first client. Now, it's time to deliver exceptional value. This is your chance to shine and build a reputation. Whatever you promised, over-deliver. If you said you designed 3 social media graphics, maybe add a 4th variation as a bonus. If you promised a 500-word blog post, make sure it's edited perfectly and delivered ahead of schedule. Communicate clearly throughout the process. Let your client know you started. Give them a mid-project update. Let them know when they can expect the final delivery. Your goal is to make the entire experience so smooth and impressive that they're blown away. Once you've delivered the work and they're happy, it's time for the golden ticket, the testimonial. Don't be shy. Simply ask, "I'm so glad you're happy with the result. Would you be open to writing a short sentence or 2 about your experience working with me?" That positive feedback is social proof. It's marketing gold that will help you land your next client and the one after that. A screenshot of a glowing review is more powerful than any ad you could run. We're on day 5, and it's time to get smart. You've proven you can do the work and make a client happy. Now, let's make the process easier and more efficient. This is all about optimization and leveraging tools. Look back at the last few days. Where were the bottlenecks? Did you spend too much time writing emails from scratch? Did you lose track of client details? Today, you're going to fix that. Create simple email templates for your most common messages, your initial outreach, your project proposal, your final delivery email. You can use a free project management tool like Trello or Asana to create a simple board to track your clients from lead to in progress to completed. Look at your simple analytics. If you're using a social media profile, which post got the most engagement? What time of day are people most active? Use this data to inform your strategy for tomorrow. The goal of day 5 isn't to add more work. It's to make your existing work smarter and more streamlined. By building simple systems now, you're setting yourself up to handle more clients and more income without getting overwhelmed. Work smarter, not just harder. It's day 6, and we're building momentum. It's time to expand your reach and offer more. You have a happy client and a testimonial in your pocket. Now, let's leverage that. One of the best ways to expand your reach is by creating a simple, valuable piece of content. Turn a question your client asked you into a short blog post or a quick tips video. For example, if you're a copywriter, write a post on 3 common mistakes businesses make in their website copy. Share this content during your ideal clients hangout. This positions you as an expert and draws people to you. Next, think about offering more value to your existing clients. Could you offer them a monthly retainer for your services? Is there a logical next step? If you designed their logo, maybe they need matching business card designs. This is called an upsell or a cross-sell. It is one of the easiest ways to increase your income because you are selling to someone who already knows, likes, and trusts you. Don't be afraid to explore a new platform or to package your services in a new way. Day 6 is all about growth and thinking bigger. We've made it to day 7. This is a crucial day, but it's not about hustling. It's about 3 things: review, reflect, and recharge. First, open up a simple spreadsheet and tally up your earnings for the week. Look at that number. You did that. You took action and created income from scratch. Acknowledge that win. Next, reflect on the week. What worked really well? What was a struggle? What did you learn about your process, your clients, and yourself? Write these reflections down. This honest review is critical for your long-term growth. It's how you turn a 7-day sprint into a sustainable business. And finally, recharge. Celebrate your achievement. You set a goal and you hit it. Whether you buy yourself a nice dinner, take an afternoon off to relax, or just do a happy dance in your living room, it's vital to reward yourself for the hard work you've put in. This prevents burnout and keeps you motivated for the journey ahead. Look at what you've accomplished, and then start thinking about your next goal. Maybe it's your first $1,000 week. So there you have it, a 7-day action plan to go from 0 to your first $500 online. It's not magic. It's about clarity, action, and consistency. You identified your skill, built a simple presence, reached out with value, delivered amazing work, optimized your process, expanded your reach, and took time to reflect. This is the blueprint. You have the tools and the strategy. The only thing missing is your action. Your journey to $500 doesn't start tomorrow or next week. It starts now. What's the one skill you can monetize today? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more actionable plans to grow your online income. Now go get started.